Self-sabotage, you a fool, boy.
Today we will be working with the company Luvme Hair. This company is not new to my channel whatsoever. I will leave a list of the videos that I have with them down below if you are interested. Today we will be reviewing their 4x4 Lace Closure Wig. It is a highlighted wig. It's curly and it's also like brown. Like as you can see, like it has some highlights in it, but the hair is brown and it is super cute. Like I have not had a closure wig in a minute, and this is the cap construction, you know, pretty simple. It's a standard cap. And yeah, this is what the curls are looking at. This is straight out of the package. The curls are really tight. They look really nice too. The wig did come slightly pre-plucked, but I do go ahead off camera and pluck the wig. The right side is what I plucked and the left side is how the wig comes, so that is pretty helpful of how it comes already pre-plucked, so you really don't have to pluck that much off. And by the way, the density is 180 density and the length is 18 inches. This is how it looks after I have pressed one side, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. This wig did fit me like really well. Usually their wigs are a little snug on me, but this wig was actually really good. Like I had to actually use the adjustable straps with it. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey to tint my lace and my cap. I did not bleach this unit. That is really different. Usually I always bleach my units, but this go around I did not bleach the unit. This wig is strictly straight out of the packaging, so I have not done anything different to the hair, and I'm just cutting the lace off of it. The first clip I showed you how you're supposed to cut off the little tabs when it comes to a closure wig first. This is of course going to be a glueless install, so as you can already see, this wig is super easy and quick to apply. It's just water inside of the spray bottle, and then I'm gonna take my Jamaican castor oil leave-in conditioning mist. I love using this on my roll hair, so you know I'm gonna put it on my wig. And I got my tropical roots foam to, you know, really keep the curls intact and locked in once the hair is dry. And then I'm going to use a combination of the RS gel with the tropical roots foam to put on my baby hairs. Alright, so this is the finishing look of the hair. It was super cute, super easy to install. This is literally straight out of the package. I did not wash this hair, bleach the knots. I literally just did some minimal plucking and applied this wig onto my head glueless, and it was done. Only thing I did was just add some water to it and some mousse, and this is the curls after they dried, and I, you know, finger combed it a little bit to give it some more volume. But this wig is literally ready to wear. I love being able to pull a wig out of the package and not have to do anything to it. I literally did not have to do anything to it. This is probably the first wig that I did not have to bleach, and as you can see, It blends in perfectly fine with a little bit of some concealer. Thank you so much, Luvme, for sending me this unit. If you are interested in this hair, I will leave all the information down below in my description box, along with my discount code, which is TO20 for 20% off at checkout. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tiandra. It'll be on the screen. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.